Extinct volcanoes, also known as dead volcanoes, are volcanoes that are no longer active and have not erupted in historical times, nor do they show any signs of future eruption. There is always a small possibility that they could become active. Examples of extinct volcanoes are Mount Thielsen in Oregon in the US and Mount Slemish in Co. Antrim. Dolsi Hill is located in the state of Haryana, India. It is an extinct volcano, which means it has not erupted for a very long time and is not expected to erupt again. These hills were formed approximately 750 million years ago.